Welcome to the deep dive. So today we're jumping into something quite specific from the IELTS reading test. Um, Diagram label completion. You know the ones you see these diagrams, lots of lines, blanks.
Yeah,
They can look, well, pretty intimidating.
it really can, yeah.
But here's the thing, and it's a bit of a surprise.
Yeah.
Maybe they're often actually easier than some other question types.
Uh-huh.
And, the best part, you don't need to be an expert on whatever the diagram shows. All the info you need, it's right there for you.
That's exactly right. The visual context is a huge help. It kind of narrows things down immediately, which text-only questions just can't do. Basically, the task is just labeling parts of a diagram, right? It could be anything, a plan, maybe a technical drawing of some machine, or something from nature, like a plant cycle.
Okay.
And you're filling in those blanks using words either from the text they give you or sometimes from a list. The key thing, though, is watching out for paraphrases, synonyms.
Ah, right. So they won't just use the exact same word.
Often not, no. They want to see if you understand the idea. Like, the text might say liquid container, but the label needs fluid reservoir. Same meaning, different words, you see.
Gotcha. That makes sense. Tests understanding, not just matching.
And that brings up, the word count. How many words can you actually write in that blank?
Crucial point.
Absolutely crucial. You have to read the instructions for that every time. Getting it wrong means the answer is incorrect, even if the word itself is right.
Like trying to fit, a square peg in a round hole.
Precisely. And remember, hyphenated words, like state of the art,
One word.
counts as just one word. Good to know. So really, success comes down to deducing meaning, using the clues, numbers, headings, maybe parts that are already labeled.
They guide you, don't they?
They do. They create a kind of narrative. And look, always put something in the blank. An educated guess is way better than leaving it empty. Don't leave gaps.
Okay, so deduction is key. You've made that really clear. For someone listening, maybe facing one of these right now, what's the practical, step-by-step approach?
Right. Okay. The roadmap. First, and I can't say this enough, read those instructions carefully.
Especially for the word count, and whether it's from a list or the text.
Exactly. General training often uses a list. Academic usually means scanning the text. Know which one you're doing. Second, know that word limit. Always.
Check.
Then look closely at the diagram itself. What clues can you see? Arrows, headings, anything already filled in.
Get the context first.
Yes. Then scan the text or the word list for keywords related to the blank you're focusing on. Or if it's a list, start eliminating options that clearly don't fit.
Makes sense. Narrow down.
Once you think you've found the relevant part, read that specific section carefully. Locate the answer. Then write it in. And please check your spelling. Spelling counts.
Good reminder. Now, something that jumped out from our prep for this, the answers. They don't always follow the order in the text or the list, do they?
Ah, yes. That's a big one. No, they often don't. It's not linear.
So you can't just read down expecting answer 1, then 2, then 3.
Definitely not. You have to jump around, matching the diagram part to the text description, wherever it might be.
Which makes that other tip, tackle the easier, blanks first.
Yeah.
Even smarter, right? Because it helps you maybe narrow down the harder ones later.
Absolutely. It's like a puzzle. Solving the easier bits can reveal clues for the trickier parts. Excellent strategy.
So let's step back a bit. We've talked about the test strategy, but what does mastering this kind of task, this kind of thinking, actually mean for you, the listener, beyond just IELTS?
Well, that's the interesting part, isn't it? The skills you're building here, critical thinking, deduction, inferring meaning from visuals and text. They're universal.
How so?
Think about it. This isn't just about labeling some diagram for a test. It's practice in breaking down any complex system.
Like a business plan, maybe?
Sure.
Or software.
Exactly. Or a scientific article, anything complex. You learn to identify the parts, see how they relate, how they form the whole picture. It's really about navigating complex information effectively, connecting the dots. Skills that are valuable absolutely anywhere. Far beyond just prepping for a test, it teaches you how to see the structure in things.